welcome back to my channel, girl. I'm using Urban Decay Primer Potion to prime my eye because I have a creasing issue, and this is going to take care of it, okay? I'm only using a little bit. I advise you just to use a little bit. I'm going to go on top of that with the Wet n Wild Concealer in medium deep tan, girl. Okay, and so for my brow bone highlight, I'm going to use Ounce, and I'm dragging it out, okay, to the tail end of my eyebrow to give me a guideline, you know, and it helps with the placement of my shadows in my transition area. Alright, so now my favorite low blow, which reminds me of Saddle from MAC. You guys know that's one of my favorite shades in the transition area. I'm applying that there as well as semi kind of in a crease, so the next shade will blend out much easier. Now I'm going in with my favorite shade out the palette, and it's Cayenne, girl. This is a really warm brownish red color. It's beautiful. It reminds me of Brown Script from MAC, okay? And you guys know back in the day that was my jam. I'm figuring out, like, wow, there's so many dupes in this palette, like, whoa. And I figured I'll drag it out because I decided to go for a half cut crease look today. Next is He Devil, and this is a more warmer red color, okay? And I'm putting that in my outer V, but making the V a little smaller, if you will, okay, for definition and to get more of a cat eye effect. And we are using Ashes, girl, and let me tell you, this is reminding me of Sketch from MAC. Like, wow, so many dupes in this palette, it ain't even funny. And I'm making that V even smaller, okay, for definition and more in a gradient effect. I'm going to blend out those edges with my favorite Cayenne and a clean blending brush again. And I'm going to semi and softly cut my crease with the Wet n Wild Concealer in medium deep tan. I find using my finger more easier to blend out these edges than anything, girl, okay? Use them. Alright, so for the inner third of my eyelid, I'm going in with Scorched. And then so on the outer, well, more of the middle part of my eyelid, I'm going to go in with Dirty Talk. And I actually had wet the brush just to see the difference, you know, in the shadow and the finish. But I prefer to apply it dry. So next time I think I'll do that. And I'm going to go in with Ounce one more time for my inner tear duct to open my eye up a bit and for a pop of color, girl. And taking my favorite shade one more time, I'm going to just blend those shades together for more of a gradient effect. All right, I'm lining my eye with, you already know, NYC liner. I hope you guys like this tutorial. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe and hit the notification bell while you're at it so you won't miss a video like this from me, okay? And until next time, guys, see you in my next video.